Ito na yung earnings ko dito sa Grass, 6,363.75. Today's earning, 318.75. Ito yung IP address ko. Then punta tayo yung earning statistic natin dito. Makita natin dito yung earning statistic natin yan. 2K per day. And makikita mo yung total. Yung IP today's is January 15, 318.75. So 2K per day siya. Yan, makikita mo dito. Yan. 6,363. Ito yung makikita mo yung earnings ko sa aking Grass.io. Makikita mo itong 3,332 in just 2 days. Yan, makikita mo dito. 2 days ko palang ginagamit dito sa aking nakakonect na IP. 122.100.196.86 sa bansang Macau. Ito yung IP address. Kung gusto pang mag-connect ng inyong IP, i-click mo lang itong Add Network kung saan magkoconnect ka ng mga Wi-Fi dito. Magkakaroon ka ng earnings dito. So, parang nagmimina siya. So, naka-stay lang tong ko dito sa aking computer, tong Grass.io. Nagmimina siya ng token. Makikita mo tong today's earnings ko ay 1,367. I will be discussing how to download Grass. The first is to go to the main website and click download Grass. Then, next is add to Chrome. Then, add extension. Later, we will going to log in our account in Grass. This one, Grass has been added to Chrome. Then you can see now your main dashboard here. Now we will going to see the Grass extension in our Chrome. Then you can see this one, Grass, this one. Just pin this one, Grass extension. Click one. Then you can now log in your account. So I already have an account in my Grass, so I need to sign in my email address. Then log in. Bali, ito na makikita mo yung earnings mo sa inyong Grass. Nandito na yung statistic ng inyong account, yung earnings mo, yung IP address mo, kung saan dito ka na-connect yung Wi-Fi mo. O nandito na yung earnings ko, points rewards, points earned 341.42. Kung na-download mo na, makikita mo na tong earnings mo sa inyong account. So, tingnan natin yung mga connection. Kung mag-add ka pa ng network, add network, then pwede mo siyang i-download yung sa Android or sa iOS mo. So, coming soon. So, ano pa lang to, bagong pa lang tong itong Grass. So, i-download mo na para at least magkaroon ka ng dito, earn 341.42. Tingnan natin mamaya kung makapag-earn pa tayo.